Well guys, it's a horrible wet rainy morning today in Northern Ireland. So we're heading out for some deep sand practice, and look, we've got the MB Matt Burns 46 hats on, supporting my mate Matt. Does a bit of short circuit riding. Josh is beside me, he's not in the greatest of form. Say good morning, Josh.
Good morning.
Where are we going? Some sand practice? Look at the rain in the window. Look at the rain. Bucketing down here in Northern Ireland for a change. Bucketing down. But we'll hopefully get up here today and, well, the sand takes the rain quite well, you know. Usually the rain, if there's a bit of rain on the sand, it dampens the sand down and makes it a bit stickier. Plus, Josh gets to try out his new sand tyres today for the first time. So we'll post some more videos and post some videos of Josh and Zach's going to be there today too. Hopefully get an interview with a pair of them later on, as well as some videos of them in action, getting around the sand tracks.
Now is my time to shine. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others down and out, you don't condone it. Yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcome an obstacle that's rejected in life. Down so the night, not to then you shine. Inside your head, on goes the light. From the intuition, focus on the night that glistens. You that listen to me, used to the wishes. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others down and out, you don't condone it. Yourself is your toughest opponent. When it comes, grab hold and own it. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others down and out, you don't condone it. Yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcome an obstacle that's the objective in life. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcome an obstacle that's the objective in life. Doubt is overnight, and until then you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Doubt is overnight, and until then you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Doubt is overnight, and until then you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Play the intuition and pull the stars in the night that glistens. You that listen to me, you still in the wishes. Play the intuition and pull the stars in the night that glistens. You that listen to me, you still in the wishes. Play the intuition and pull the stars in the night that glistens. You that listen to me, you still in the wishes. Yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubt is overnight and until then you shine bright. Cause inside your head, when your time comes, don't postpone it. When others down and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubt is overnight and until then you shine bright. Cause
Well boys, how's the track today? Is it good? What was your favourite bit?
I liked it bullying over that jump.
Which jump?
One on the back round.
The one round at the back, at the far side. I seen you going over that jump on your front wheel lifting. And you, Josh, I seen you going over it. I think I caught it in video with your front wheel lifting. What do you think of your sand tyres?
Good.
The sand tyres good? Does it help in the sand?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
What about yours, Jack? You think you should get some sand tyres?
Yeah.
Maybe ask Santa for a set? Yeah? So what do you think? Is good, the track good condition?
Yeah.
Do you think he's to be able to build up a bit more speed going down those straights? Yeah? Definitely. And what about the cornering?
Good.
Huh?
Accelerate, brake, corner.
What do you do?
Accelerate, brake, corner.
And who taught you accelerate, brake, corner? Do you- What did he teach you?
Accelerate, brake, corner.
What's B for? B.
Brake,
What's C for?
accelerate,
K. And what's A for?
throttle.
No, not a throttle. Accelerate. Wait, so you're enjoying yourselves today? Yeah? Well, he's going to go a wee bit faster down the straight and keep standing up in the sand. Keep standing up and keep your body over towards the back of the bike, and the bike will just skim over the sand. Alright? Don't be sticking your tongue out. You're two cheeky munchkins. Huh? We'll get some more. We'll let you have a wee rest and get you a drink, and then we'll send you back out again. Alright? Alright. boys? Did you have fun today? Yeah? You were having a bit of racing out there? Nearly racing? Pushing each other on? Huh? Josh, stop shaking. Look at the camera. You look cold, Zach. Are you cold? Huh? We haven't need to ask everybody to hit subscribe. Hit
subscribe button and
Where they hit the subscribe button? Hit the subscribe button down below.
hit the subscribe button down below.
Hit the subscribe button down below. Say bye bye.